Lifetime Achievement Awardee is Mr. Ramanna Anand. I will read out the citation first. Mr. R. Anand has been associated with ITAMA since the early 1960s and is among the senior-most trustees of the association. He was involved in some of the defining contributions of ITAMA during the License Raj era. During his tenure as president, Mr. Anand, along with colleagues in ITAMA, were able to persuade the Government of India to modify certification terms for imports of components and exclude bill discounting from bank credit limits. A more defining moment in Mr. Anand's entrepreneurial life has been popularizing export-oriented industries in the field of textiles. As Vice President of the All India Association of 100% EOUs Delhi, he focused policymakers' attention on the need to support the industry, and this was seen in the setting up of India's first 100% EOUs in cotton spinning and in terry towels. He introduced mills to new technologies. His mentoring of MSME units in the engineering industry has seen niche, custom-built components being produced for a variety of applications with clients ranging from ISRO to GE. He played a role in expanding the market for locally produced automobile springs. Mr. Anand has been on the board of some reputed textile mills, the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and earlier the Council of EU Chambers of Commerce in India. With the guidance and vision of Mr. Ramanna Anand, ITAMA is confident of serving the industry by enabling members meet some of the toughest challenges. Please join us in honoring Mr. Ramanna Anand with the Lifetime Achievement Award. I request you, sir, to kindly step upon the dais to receive this award from the chief guest and the guest of honor. Mr. R. Anand being presented the memento by Mr. Ninad Karpe, our guest of honor. And of course, the shawl in keeping with the Indian tradition. Thank you, and I request Mr. Anand to kindly say a few words. Sir, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm grateful to the office bearers and managing committee of ITMA for being bestowed on me this honor. ITAMA's contribution to the textile industry and textile engineering industry in particular has borne full fruit due to strong joint efforts of various committees set up from time to time and backed by a committed secretariat. We are all aware of fast-changing happenings in the manufacturing sector as new technologies like advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and many others will change how factories are operated. With a sense of pride and happiness, we in ITAMA are seeing new technologies continuously being brought by our members. The MOUs being signed by ITAMA with universities and institutions will develop research and lead to further growth in exports of our members. I would like to take this opportunity to urge the younger generation from the member companies to actively take part in the growth of ITAMA. I have never been more hopeful or more excited by what the future beholds, and I am convinced a better, more sustainable, and more equitable future awaits everyone. Thank you once again for being present here today, for making this a memorable day for me. I wish all of you prosperous 2019 and a successful participation at GTTS. Thank you, gentlemen.